Well, hello and welcome to this exercise on this revision exercise on differentiation and quotient rule, and of course delta y and delta x. Now, this is based on an iGCSE additional mathematics question and suitable for 11th grade algebra and also for AS level mathematics. And it says that given that y is equal to x squared divided by cos 4x, find dy over dx. So say find the approximate change in y when x increases from pi over 4 to pi over 4 plus p, where p is very small. Okay, now for the first one, y is equal to x squared divided by cos 4x. And again, because we're dealing with fractions here, with the quotient rule applies. Okay, so now we have that dy over dx is equal to this one here. Firstly, you differentiate the numerator. When you differentiate x squared, you have 2x times the denominator, which is cos 4x, minus the numerator, which is x squared, times the differentiation of the denominator. In this case, if you differentiate cos 4x, you get minus 4 sine 4x, and then divided by the denominator squared, and that's dy dx. Now we're going to find the approximate change in y and x as when x increases from pi over 4 to pi over 4 plus p. Now, because p is very small, we're talking about a very small change here. So instead of writing dy over dx, we now write delta y over delta x. And a delta y over delta x would be the same as the dy dx in this instance. Okay. Now, if we multiply both sides by delta x, we end up with delta y is equal to 2x times cos 4x minus x squared times minus 4 sine 4x over cos squared 4x, and then multiply by dx there. Sorry, by delta x. Now, because delta x is the change in the x value, so in this case we're changing from pi over 4 to pi over 4 plus p. So the change here is plus p. We now replace delta x by p. So we end up with, because delta x is a change, or p is a change, it's a very small change, the delta y then becomes 2x cos 4x minus x squared times minus 4 sine 4x divided by cos squared 4x times p, p being the small change. So we now have this one here. Now what I've done here is I've replaced the x values there with pi over 4. Now if we then cancel out, we first cancel out there, and also there, and also there. Okay. Now I'm going to leave this for now, leave it as it is for now. I'm also going to leave this one as it is for now. Now, so delta y then becomes 2 pi over 4 times cos pi over 1 minus x squared minus 4 sine pi over 1 divided by cos squared pi over 1. Okay. So now, if we then divide 2 pi by 4, we get pi over 2 there. Cos pi is the same as minus 1. Then we've got minus x squared there. Sine 4 pi is 0. Now, cos pi is minus 1. So cos squared pi will be minus 1 times minus 1, which is plus 1 there. So this bit here is 0. That cancels out. That goes. So we now have that delta y is equal to minus pi over 2p Now you can leave your answer at that if you wish, or you can divide pi over 2, and that gives you delta y is equal to minus 1.57p. Now I hope all that makes a difference, and I hope you understand what I've done here. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.